Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. This is part 3 of 3 videos I'm doing on the new Amazon heavy duty commercial true RMS graphical multimeter versus the FLUKE, the old FLUKE 289 graphical multimeter. And this is the last part of a 3 video series. Right here, I want to show this for one of my viewers, 3-phase. He asked to look in the back of it, and I don't know, but every now and then I open the back of a multimeter up and look in the back of it, but this is something he asked me, and I was curious about it myself. So I've already started taking the screws out of it before the video shut off on part 2. So this is part 3. I already have it open, and 3-phase, this is for you, sir. Okay. And 10 amp, 1000 volt fuse. They could have cleaned that up a little bit better than that. Clean all that up better than that. Even around up here, they could clean that up, but other than that, the board looks pretty good. And all of this looks bad. Okay. Well, with that being said, man, I want to thank y'all for stopping by the channel. It was a pleasure making this, doing this video. I hope that y'all got something out of it. I know I did. It was real fun for me. I may have missed some tests that you guys wanted me to prove. I'm not set up for a whole lot of tests, just the basic ones. So if you got something out of the video, man, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know, if you've been visiting the channel for a while and you know you haven't done it, do it so you can receive notifications when my next video is going to come out. And trust me, there's more to come. Stay tuned. There's more to come. What we do here, or what I do here on this channel, I don't stick just to one thing except electrical tools, because I am an electrician and that's what I do. I don't just talk about meters all day. I talk about every tool that electrician use that I have in my arsenal. And I only talk about the best of the best tools. I don't buy garbage just to display it on here on the channel. I don't do that. So if you see it on my station, you know, it may not be the very best, but it is the best. It's one of the best. So with that being said, man, thank you again. Again, you guys be safe out there, and you guys stay healthy, especially with this coronavirus going around. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and do what you have to do, and be safe. Peace out.